guys, don't mind me. We just got done, or she just got done eating. And I haven't done anything to get ready today, as you can obviously tell. I just wanted to show you guys that it was raining. And it is raining so hard right now. And California never gets rain, and I love the smell of rain. So I'm so happy right now. We're just listening to the rain and we're watching it. See the water flowing down there. It is raining so much. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That is so crazy. It's just so pretty. And I love this. I love this so much. I just had to share it with you guys. I think Skylar likes the rain too. And she looks so happy right now. Yeah. You like the rain? You like the rain? She's like, what are you doing, Mom? Well, there's that burp. Like, 8 out of 10 times she doesn't burp, so yeah. She's not a good burper at all. And she's been watching, chilling, looking outside. I think she loves it. What do you think of the rain, Sky? Whoa, what are you doing with your head? We're still figuring out how to move it, huh? Huh. Do you like the rain? Do you like the rain? Yeah? Isn't it just so pretty? I'm outside for a second. And it smells so good out here. Can you hear that? It's just so awesome. I think Skylar likes listening to it. This is so good. So good. Yay! Look at all that rain. It's just so pretty outside right now. Do you like the rain, Skylar? I know it's cold, so we'll go back inside in a second. So pretty. I should really put my contacts in because I don't have them in. I don't usually put them until after I shower and get ready for the day. And I can't really see, but I still think it's so pretty out here. What do you think, Skylar? She's like, not impressed. Is this soothing you? Is this soothing you? Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys that. I thought it was fun. Skylar's first little rain shower, I guess you could say. And I think she likes it. She likes to watch and listen to it. So yeah, that's really it for today's video. It's just a really short mini vlog, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Can you say bye, Skylar? Can you say bye?